Okay, today we are going to play Spider on Roblox. Okay, wait a second. Okay. We are in. Yes, okay. Okay, let's see what we have right now. Uh-oh. Dang it. No, don't swing at me, Dawson. Ho ho. Okay, we have the C4 to do the bunker now. To open the, explode the bunker open. Okay, good. Alright, now we need the winch. Oh, dang it! Okay, I'm pretty hold on, let me see. Okay, now we just need the golden key. I forget where we get the golden key. Here, let me get this spider repellent. Oh. Go! Die! Okay, who the heck has the key? Yeah, let's just go through here now. Hey, someone has a pop-up key. I know I have the pop-up key. Huh! Ah, dang it! Get away from me! Dang it. Okay, now we just need to go and then just leave because it's just easier. Okay. Okay. Let me in! Okay, finally. Okay, let's put it on full screen real quick. Okay, good. Just in time. Who's it gonna be? Maybe this girl. Maybe that transgender, I don't know. Yes! I'm the spider! Why is that guy wearing a dress? It's kind of creepy. Well, it's not creepy, it's just weird. Well, seriously, you're a good kid, Spencer Flood. I'm proud to be your uncle. Okay, Uncle Bob. I don't don't want to pass you s'mores. It was obviously something. Uncle Bob! Get off the ground! A cabin, maybe we can find shelter here. I'm the spider. I might be a spider, but I'm good at tap dancing. Hot shot shot, hot shot shot, hot shot 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 shot. My evil scheme is pulling along. Hey, don't you shut that door on me, people. Okay, seriously. Time to get you. No! No! I will get paid back on him. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cook payback! Yes! I'm a vampire spider, and none of you may know it. Time to get this closer. Kill them all! Good ruins. Very tasty. Time to get this guy. No! Not again! Wait, how am I still moving? It's a glitch. I'm a dead spider that's still apparently moving. Get him. I cut him off by the couch. Oh, he just trapped himself. Put this web down here. Put his web down here. Yeah. No. Yes! Kill him! Okay, good. How much people is left? I do not know. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, at least I haven't opened the bunker yet. Oh, dang it, they have. Hey, stop juking me. Ho ho ho. Go! Ho 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 ho. No, you're not getting away from me that fast. Let's see what we're going to do. I am meeting them back out here. And see, hopefully, that they actually went that way to try to... Oh, they didn't. Actually, they were actually trying to, I mean, yeah. It's not moving. Haha. Just waiting for my chat. I think he was AFK, but I'm not sure. Where the heck is all the people? Okay. Our chat's down right here. Okay. Let's try to find if some people are up here. I think they are. Okay, let's check this room first. Nope. Ooh. Dang it! They won, and why am I stuck in the floor? At least we found a glitch. Yeah, I got stunned and I was laying on my back. Ooh, that was... I didn't even know about that until now. At least we found a glitch. Okay, who is it gonna be? Who is this going to be? Okay, hi little spider. The itsy bitsy sword. Oh, no, that's right. Oh, I forgot that ending. The eye patch pirate girl got the spider chase. Okay, at least we got it skipped. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay. Crowbar is right here. Shut the door, shut the other door again. Open this door. Okay, now we need to do that. Wait, so any weak thing by... Okay, no, there wasn't. Oh, dang it! Go away from me, Spider! This is why no one likes you. Maybe you go! No! Maybe he's a friendly spider. Oh, definitely not. Okay, let's see what we can buy, boys. Okay. I'm gonna buy the gingerbread. Yeah, let's spectate. Why? Well, I don't have any Robux to spend. I only have 1 Robux. That's because my mom doesn't let me buy Robux. Ugh.